I wanted to come out and show you guys. I need to come out here and pull these weeds. But I wanted to show you guys. I start explaining to you guys about bi-weekly payments versus weekly payments. Or sometimes people want to pay down their mortgage quicker. And I saw a post who had shared some information about how she wouldn't pay her mortgage off, and she wouldn't do it because she would opt to invest. But I wanted to get on here and explain what I recommend if you want to pay your mortgage down quickly or your car payment down quickly. You have the option to choose, in most cases, between bi-weekly payments or monthly payments. Now, a lot of times people think of bi-weekly payments when they're paid, but they don't consider it for paying debts back. So you can shorten your mortgage term by like 5 years, maybe even 7, if you make one extra principal payment per year. And the way that you're able to do that is to either ask your lender if they participate in a bi-weekly mortgage payment, or you could take your mortgage payment and divide it by 12 and then save that much each month, and then once a year submit that amount towards principal. You want to make sure that you specifically apply it towards principal. Otherwise, it could be contributed towards interest, and you don't want that to happen. That's more so something that you need to be concerned about when you are trying to pay down your car. I have seen stories where people have made additional payments towards their car, and unfortunately the lender did not actually apply it to the principal, but they applied it to the interest. Most credit unions will allow you to do bi-weekly payments for your car. A lot of lenders, like I know Bank of America and I think Wells Fargo, participate in bi-weekly mortgage payments. Otherwise, you may have to ask, or it's something that you would have to set up to do for your own. But making an extra principal payment a year can drop your mortgage from a 30-year cycle to a 25-year cycle. And I think if you make 2 payments a year, it'll drop it down to 15. So if you're not one that's big on saving, then you can actually apply extra payment during tax time if you know that you're typically one to get a tax return. If you like these videos, let me know. I'm happy to post more of them. So those are the differences between bi-weekly payments and monthly payments. You do have the option to do it, but what I don't want you to do is just start sending in half of a payment and then saying, I decided I wanted to do bi-weekly payments. It is something that you do have to set up with your lender, and it's something that they have to approve you for. So I hope you guys have a happy Friday. Enjoy this weekend. It's beautiful out. And thank you for sharing. Thanks.